Hey guys, today I'm unboxing my Vettsy Halloween Mystery Box. Oh, and I'm so excited to see what we got inside of here. They pack these little boxes up so good. So let's get started. Oh my god, guys, this is what it looks like when you open the box, and you can just tell that it is like packed to the brim. So you get, what do you get in this little envelope? So you get a little thank you card and a QR code to basically review. Then this has like all of their social media on it, and there are like some instructions, I guess, about some of the products that you have. And then you get some French stickers, you get some butterfly stickers. This is how to use solid gel polish, and then some more French stickers. And of course you get some cute little Halloween stickers, which I always give the stickers to my son. And then you get spiders and eyeballs. So I'm gonna take off the little noodles and we'll dig right in, okay? We got this cute little pumpkin that I'm just gonna put on my desk. He's like a cute little candle. So we're gonna stick him over here in the corner. Oh my god, like I just have to show you what it looks like. I'm gonna have this on my lap, but it is like packed full. This box was the Halloween mystery box, not to be confused with the October mystery box that is $69.99. This box was actually $39.99 and it is still available. So just right here we got some more stickers. We've got some like couture Halloween stickers, and then just some other fun like Fendi stickers. We got some of these like paper stencils. So this has like some pumpkins and like spider webs and skulls and bats and all kinds of cute stuff in there. And then we have some solid pigment. I'm not really certain of like what that is. I believe this is like water activated pigment, and you use it like polish, or you, because I thought I saw them, it says when you rub on pigment, it's not sticky on nails. That means you made the nails too dry. If too wet, that means you need to put under the UV lamp. So it actually looks like you rub it on with like one of those eyeshadow applicators. Very interesting. It does look like it's got some shimmer to it, so this would be really cool to try out. Oh, we got some cute little spiders. Oh, so cute. I actually used one of these in my first video that I did. I think it was Beetles gel, and it was super cute. So precious. So precious, these little spiders. All right, the next thing we have is obviously some neon pigment powders, which I recently bought some for Halloween and I didn't get a chance to use them yet. So these look like they are very neon, like to the point that they might glow in the dark. So I'm excited to try these out. I'm excited to try all of this stuff out, to be honest with you. All right, I'm gonna turn a little pumpkin off because he looks like the battery's about to die. But I'm just gonna put him on top of my nail lamp for now. Oh my god, we got this huge case of nail foils. What the heck, dude? I swear, these boxes are so worth it. I just wanna see what one of them looks like. I'm just gonna pick whatever, the first one that I see out. So I don't even know how to describe what this is. It's like very much like satanic, like devil stickers. But then you've also got like witches brew and beetles and like almost looks like pirates and stuff like that. So very cool. This will last you a lifetime. This is a lot of foil. Oh my god. The problem with foils I find is once you take them out, you can never get them back in the right way. So I just do my best to try to like roll it up and stick it back in here, but it's never gonna go. It's never gonna be the right way again. So you just shove it in there really quickly and then close the lid. That's how you gotta do it. Next, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna need a pair of scissors to get into here. No idea what this is. It's tightly wrapped. Ooh, it's another liner gel. This one is black, and oh my gosh, is it? This is like pitch black gel, but beautiful. Can't wait to use it. I have a red one of theirs that I got in my February mystery box. So we've got some of their pudding gels. I don't know why, like some of them come in boxes and some of them don't. I think this is another one as well. I did open this box, by the way. Oh my god. gorgeous. That will come in handy for one of the next looks that I'm going to do. I am going to do a look with all of this stuff, but it's going to be in next week's video because this is just so much stuff in here. Like, I have to come up with like some sort of cohesive idea. I can't just jump into a nail look with this. This looks like a dark burgundy color. It's the number 39 Queen Bee, and I know that they have like a huge sale on these gels going on, like a huge deal. That's gorgeous. God, that's a beautiful color for fall. I don't know exactly what like the deal is. By the way, I'm not like affiliated with them. I did pay for this box, but I know that they have some kind of deal if you buy like a bunch of these solid gel polishes. Like, it's crazy cheap. It's like 30 for like 40 bucks or something. I don't know. Like, they're like $1 a piece. All right, well, it just ripped that box to shred. This is 36 Paradise. Just looks like a basic red, which is always great to have for Halloween, you know, for your blood drips and all that kind of stuff. Yep. Oof, God. Like, it just looks so perfect. I recently used my first ever like solid cream gels, and they were from Macart, and they were really nice. So I'm excited to try theirs out and kind of see how they compare. I actually have some of theirs that I never got a chance to use. This is like, how do I explain this color? It's like baby poop in the most aesthetic way possible to describe it. That's honestly what it looks like. I'm just gonna take this off at this point. I'm sorry, but that's what it looks like in real life. It's called Sunset, number 48. So, very cute. And then we have a luminous 3D gel. I have no idea what that means. I want to like squirt it out. Is it like a builder gel? Oh my god, it's like hot pink. Whoa. What in the world is that? You could literally draw with this. I've never seen anything like that before. That is very cool. The consistency is soft, but it like keeps its shape. Very, very interesting. I'm gonna have to try that out when we do this video. I wonder if you could like color over it. It's the color 900 or 6. I would assume it's the color 6. Jesus, Jen. Okay. Oh, so cute. Got some press-ons here. I'm trying not to play with this box too much because it's making too much noise. So I'm actually going to just like set it behind me. And I just shoved my face right into the mic. So I'm so sorry. These are the cutest things ever. Sorry. I cannot get into their boxes without ripping them to shreds. Oh my gosh. So cute if you're like in a hurry and let's say you're going trick-or-treating, you don't have time to do your nails. Ah, I love them. They are precious. Bright orange with spider webs. I mean, like, what else could you want, right? From a Halloween press-on set. Please don't mind my right hand, by the way. She is just all jacked up. Just don't pay attention. Don't pay attention to her. All right. And then we have a 5-in-1 top coat that comes in a pot. Interesting. I want to know like how thick it is. I'm very curious. I want to see what it looks like because I mean, usually these aren't, oh God, I'm going to stab myself with these scissors. You know, normally they come like in a regular gel polish bottle. They're not very thick. So like, is this going to be like a solid, like thick gel? Or is it going to be like a hard gel? No, it's definitely like kind of soft, but okay. It's kind of watery, but interesting. I wonder, like, can you use it? Like, obviously you can use these. 5-in-1 top coat though. That's what throws me off, but I assume it's just like a builder gel. It just comes in a pot. Okay, so that is all that came in the box. And then I went ahead and I ordered one of their little mystery bags as well. And it just came in this cute little sachet. And of course, oh my God, like cute little glasses. My son was trying to steal everything that was in this bag because it's so stinking cute. And then you get a bunch of stickers. Whoops. Aw, that's right. You get a little bat bracelet, some pumpkin earrings, which are just adorable. And then you get the same like Gucci stickers that you got. I don't know if they're the same. Let me see. Oh no, they're different. So they're still like bloody and kind of gory, but cute at the same time. And then these are Versace. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I like the little skeleton. He's just calling out to me. Right. And then, oh my God. This is a blow up spider that says Halloween party on it. Can I fit it on my screen? Ugh, so cute. I will be blowing this up and keeping it around my house because I decorate more inside the house than I do outside of the house, I feel like, for holidays. I don't know. Who has time to decorate the outside of their house? Not me. Okay, and then we got some more foils. What is in here? Okay, so these are a bunch of separate foils that they have in here. This beautiful pink, like, spiders. I don't know what they are. Okay, they're like skull and crossbones. There's too much stuff in the background right now to like show you what it is. There's like a skull and crossbone and some pink hearts. And then we've got some spider webs. Very cute. I'm trying to make sure you can see everything and then it's not blurry. And then we have some little spooky houses and pumpkins and scarecrows and witches. Very cute, of course. These are all cute. Oh my gosh. And these are more like cartoony, like scary things. So precious. I'm like showing this in the worst way possible. And then we've got some little spiders. I'm like trying to show it on my hand because it's too busy in the background right now. But I also don't want to mess them up. Some more pumpkins. Oh, so cute. So cute. This is cute. This is calling my name because I want to do like a trick-or-treat look with like candy and stuff. So I'll be definitely like, I don't know how to show these. Okay, I know. They're all just so precious. And yeah, they're just, oh my God. How many do you even get here? There's so many of them. And I'm dropping them all over the floor. Okay, let's see. I'm going to count how many you get. You get 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. 9 foils. There's probably 10 and I like miscounted, but that's amazing. That's so cool. All right, let's get these back in here. I'm the worst at showing things off. Don't ever ask me to unbox again. Oh my God, my desk is like covered in stuff. And then it looks like it just comes with like a little like trick-or-treat bag. I think this is what, you know, they should have put everything in, was this little bag. I don't know why they didn't. And then I kind of like stapled it shut. Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this bag, but okay, it's there. And then the last 2 things are a cuticle oil and a cute little glitter. And this is GL34040E, I would assume. Let's just open it up. I mean, you can see what it looks like, but it's very much like a pinky, cute, like Halloween glitter. Very cute. Let me just try to focus on it even more, just because the background is so crazy. It's hard to like see anything right now. I want to put this little bracelet on. It's so cute. I'm gonna wear this now. It says, put this bracelet on your wrist, close your eyes, and make a wish. When the bracelet breaks in 2, legend says your wish comes true. That is so cute. Watch I break it like before I even get it on my hand. A fat wrist. All right, just open wide. Okay, I'm gonna make a wish. And you guys can make one too. Let's make a wish together. Okay, done. All right, let's check out the cuticle oil. Oh my God, I wish you could really see what my desk looks like right now. Ooh, this smells good. It's like rose oil, which I know some people don't like the smell of that, but I do. I love the smell of rose. I'm gonna kind of like put all of this stuff together, you know, collectively, so you can see what we got, and then I'll come back and kind of just, I don't know, tell you guys how much more I love this box. Oh my God, guys. So this is everything that I got between the Halloween box and the $9.99 goodie bag, which the goodie bag was what was in the little sachet. And this is all of like, I just kind of put like all the decorations and stuff in here, and yeah, and my little earrings and whatnot I went and put in the paper bag. But I think these boxes are so, like, these boxes are so worth it. You have so much stuff now. Like, I have so much stuff now that I can use towards Halloween looks. I mean, I'm so excited. These foils will literally last me forever. Like, I don't even know how I'm going to use them. And I think that the nail tips are super cute and like totally worth it. I can't fit everything on screen, so, you know. And then I feel like they always kind of give you some products where you're like, what the heck is that and how do I use it? So that's always kind of exciting because, you know, you get to find new products, discover new products, and new fun things like that. I am definitely going to be checking out their Christmas box as well when that, I mean, I think it's already out now, but I definitely want to go and get my hands on that before it sells out. I think this is the last day. I don't even know if I should mention this because by the time you see it, it's probably going to be over. But they had like a deal going on after I bought my box where you could buy your box and then you would get a free goodie bag. I could have waited, but anyways, I think by the time this video comes out, it's going to be over. So sorry, but definitely check out their page because they always have like crazy good deals going on. Again, I'm not associated with them, but I do like their products and I don't mind like spending a little bit extra on stuff, like especially when you're getting like all of this. I mean, if you think about it, for $39.99, that's about what like the typical price for a McCart Your Nail Lab box is. So I mean, and it's a mystery, so it's kind of fun. You don't know what you're gonna get. So yeah, I'm pretty excited with this little haul here that I got. And like I said, in my next video, I will be doing a look using some of the products here today. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, don't forget to check out my last video where I created these nails. You can watch that. Pop on over there after you're done with this video. Yeah, I know I need some cuticle oil because my nails are crusty, but I promise this nail look is really pretty. So before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.